Cardano cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.3931 a coin in a kind of large manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.3885-0.3959 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 0.3959 in an unobtrusive way. The change sort of was 0.0028, 0.71%, which really is very huge. Opposite rate, USD to ADA in a genuinely significant way. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a fundamentally significant manner. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.41. Certainly most extreme 0.44, sort of least 0.38 in an exceptionally huge manner. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.39, sort of greatest 0.42, exceptionally least 0.36. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.38, greatest 0.41, truly least 0.35 in an exceptionally significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $0.37, genuinely greatest 0.40, especially least 0.34, exhibiting that today. Exchange cost range, 0.3885-0.3959, or so they sort of thought. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost $0.36, truly most extreme 0.39, beautiful least 0.33, which truly is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.36, essentially greatest 0.39, by and large least 0.33 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.37, truly most extreme 0.40, lovely least 0.34 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.38, certainly greatest 0.41, least 0.35 in a really significant way. Cardano gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $0.40, truly most extreme 0.43, fundamentally least 0.37. Exhibiting that Cardano cost truly equivalent to $0.3931 a coin. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.40, truly greatest 0.43, exceptionally least 0.37, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.40, especially most extreme 0.43, least 0.37, or so they thought. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.41, greatest 0.44, kind of least 0.38, showing how Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.39, truly most extreme 0.42, certainly least 0.36, which truly is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.41, genuinely greatest 0.44, lovely least 0.38, which is very critical. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $0.41, by and large greatest 0.44, truly least 0.38, which generally is very critical. In 3 weeks Cardano gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $0.41, greatest 0.44, truly least 0.38, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.40, beautiful greatest 0.43, most certainly least 0.37, which by and large is very huge. Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.40, genuinely most extreme 0.43, in every practical sense, least 0.37 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.41, genuinely most extreme 0.44, truly least 0.38, which really is very huge. Cardano estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $0.41, exceptionally most extreme 0.44, genuinely least 0.38. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.40, genuinely most extreme 0.43, exceptionally least 0.37, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.39, in every practical sense, greatest 0.42, for the most part least 0.36, which by and large is genuinely huge. USD to ADA swapping scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 2.5439 coins per $1, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today, S reach 2.5259-2.5740, showing how in about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.40, genuinely most extreme 0.43, least 0.37 in a kind of significant way. The past day, S nearby 2.5259, which basically shows that Cardano conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.41, exceptionally greatest 0.44, extremely least 0.38 in a huge way. Change for now plus 0.0180. Plus 0.71%, sort of additional appearance how Cardano estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $0.41, kind of greatest 0.44, extremely least 0.38 in an especially huge way. USD to ADA cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a genuinely significant manner. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Monday, April 24, cost 2.439 coins, kind of most extreme 2.632, kind of least 2.273. Fundamentally further appearance how Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.41, genuinely greatest 0.44, especially least 0.38 in an essentially enormous way. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 2.564 coins, essentially greatest 2.778, lovely least 2.381, which generally shows that in 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, May 15, cost $0.41, especially most extreme 0.44, least 0.38, which really is genuinely huge. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 26, cost 2.632 coins, especially most extreme 2.857, least 2.439, which certainly shows that Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.37, certainly greatest 0.40, especially least 0.34 in a fundamentally enormous way. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.778 coins, beautiful most extreme 3.030, lovely least 2.564. Dollar to Cardano figure on Friday, April 28, cost 2.703 coins, truly greatest 2.941, lovely least 2.500, which essentially is genuinely huge. In multi-week USD to ADA expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 2.778 coins, really greatest 3.030, least 2.564, or so they thought. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.778 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 3.030, kind of least 2.564 in a quite enormous manner. USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.703 coins, all things considered, most extreme 2.941, really least 2.500, exhibiting how USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.703 coins, beautiful greatest 2.941, sort of least 2.500, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano